Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you want to grow your beard and searching for the best beard oil in the market, then this video is for you. Beard oil is a specially formulated oil that helps soften your hair and makes it easier to style. Most beard oils also have added fragrance so your beard smells fantastic all the day. They are usually made of a blend of various natural oil which work together to give you a thicker, faster growing and healthy beard. So here's the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best beard oil brands in India. All these brands of beard oil are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.